Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from your Binance to your Trust wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So to do so, you're going to open your Binance account, and as you can see in the homepage you have all the options for all the coins that you might have. So all you have to do is go to your portfolio, and then from here you're going to click on Take Out. Now you're going to click on Withdraw. From here you're going to choose whichever cryptocurrency you might like, so Tether USDT. And then from here you have a few boxes to fill. Now to fill those, you're going to exit the app and search for Trust Wallet. Once you open Trust Wallet, you're going to access your account. And then from here you're going to go to the USDT that you already own, or you might not have owned it, and then you're simply going to click on Receive. Now from here you can see that you have your QR code, but most importantly you have your address that you simply can click on Copy. Once you click on Copy, you can go back to your Binance account, and then from here you can copy an address and paste it right here. Then select whichever network you might want to send it through. I personally use Ethereum for USDT since it's the most usable. And then you select whatever amount you might want to add or maximum. And that is pretty much it. Once you click on Withdraw, it will get sent to your Trust wallet instantly. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.